In today's video, I want to show you how to design gears the simple way. Stay tuned. Hi everyone. So the other day, I was asked on how to design gears in an easy and simple way. So this is what we're going to do in this video. This is Tinkercad. It's free for everyone. You can create an account, then start a new design. After that, if you come to this search and then type in gear, you see this useful gear here. If you drop that on the design plate, you can customize quite a bit. So I can change the size, you can change the pitch, the slop, number of teeth, height, and the inner diameter. Let's look at some of these options. See, I can change the inner diameter, I can change the height. Here's the number of teeth, which obviously going to impact the gear size. This is the slop for the teeth. So as you can see, those change. And that's the pitch. Obviously, that's also going to increase the size of the gear. I know you can do better using Fusion 360. However, Fusion 360 is not free for everyone. It's not going to be as simple as here. So if you are in a time pinch or for beginners, or if you're just looking for a free software, this is an excellent way to do it. There are other options such as this gear. However, it doesn't have an inside hole, so you would have to make your own. There are other different design such as this one. This one is different a little bit. This one is made to snap in place. Obviously, when you're done with your design, you would have to export to OBJ, and that's how you can 3D print your gears or whatever you end up designing here. I'm guessing most of you know this already, but if not, I hope this was helpful. This is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.